Hi, my name's Mike. I'm a 52-year-old truck driver, and I live in my truck full-time. The truck that I drive is a 2023 Kenworth T680. Nothing special about it, no extra modifications. It is an automatic. Other than that, it's just a standard semi-truck with an 80-inch sleeper with a normal bottom bunk and a top bunk. And I'm going to show you basically how I live in my truck. It's small, it's cramped, but it's home. So for starters, I have a microwave, TV, and then my bottom bunk, and then my top bunk is basically for storage. Keep my clothes up there and non-perishable foods. I also have a electric cooler that I keep my water and refrigerated snacks and like a half gallon of milk in if I need it. I'll sit here on my bed or at the end of my table because I have a folding chair over here that I put right down here to sit facing that way and sit with my laptop, or I can watch TV. And for inside entertainment. Behind my TV, I have a, we'll call it a knockoff Keurig coffee pot that I make my coffee in every morning. Over here is my refrigerator. It's not a very big refrigerator, but it gets the job done. And then this is my freezer, also not very big. So I really can't store too many foods in here, but we make it work. Where I am home based out of in Michigan, when I park at the yard for my 34-hour reset, we have showers and laundry facilities that are available to those of us who do live in our trucks, and there are more than one of us, several of us, I believe, in fact, all available to us free of charge. And then on the road, there's showers at truck stops, laundry facilities at truck stops, but you have to pay for those as well. But this is me. This is my home. Yeah.